Hello everyone and welcome to another Robcast, Revenge of the Nerd podcast. And there's nothing more nerdy than unboxing Lego today. Hey guys, it is me, Rob Sachetto, your ambassador to all things pop culture and, zombie stuff too, because I am the originator of Zombie Portraits, the very first zombie portrait service on planet Earth, and the one that's still going strong after, since 2006. Yeah, it's crazy. I know, it's crazy to think about it, but I am still doing zombie portraits, still doing them right now, did a bunch for Christmas. I'm kind of, I think, done for now, unless I get a super, rush order before Christmas that is local, that I don't have to, mail out. So that's about it. I'm done. Which means it's time for Lego. Yes, and I got the Harry Potter. What is this one? What is this? The name? The Hogwarts Chamber of Secrets. So yes, this unboxing is for those of you who don't have it, which was me a couple days ago. Now I have it, and I'm going to build this. I'm not building it all. I'm just going to take it out of the box and kind of show you guys the cool thing. This is a really cool set. It is 1,176 pieces, so a lot of pieces in there, a lot of cool pieces in there. I love the sort of snake creature. Here's a bit of bizarre trivia for you. I have all the Harry Potter movies over there in my movie room. I haven't watched a single one. I have not seen a single Harry Potter movie. I know, I gotta get on that, man. I gotta get on that. I know, it's crazy. This one has got a lot of minifigs. The minifigs are plentiful in this one. Hopefully there aren't too many stickers. I'm not a fan of the stickers. I'd rather have, I know it sounds weird, but I'd almost rather have the decal or logo or whatever right on the Lego block. And yeah, I know that sounds weird because most people would say nah, I want to put it on a stick. I want to put a stick, have it on a sticker so I could, use that block if I need it for something else. But I find the stickers used to be really, really good. And I find now that the stickers lift and peel off. And it's they turn to this eggshell almost. It's really weird. I don't know if it's just because of my basement. My basement isn't humid or it isn't damp or anything. I don't know why that is, but all the old Legos I have don't do that. But the new Legos I have, the stickers kind of raise up. And then when you try to take them off, they're still super sticky on the back, and they break off like eggshell. It's really weird. I don't know if that's just me. If that has happened to you, let me know in the comments. I really like to know if that's just a me thing. But yeah, I love this set so far. I'm looking at the back of it here, and I see there's so many cool all the candles and stuff, and the windows and the arches and everything. And I'm looking at this thing right now and I'm thinking you know what? I can almost build this out of some of the Legos I have. I could definitely build this out of a lot of the Legos I have, but you know what? I like having the thing itself. So I'm gonna open this bad boy here. And of course, they have that tape, and you know what? I keep all of my boxes, and I'm kind of careful to make sure that the tape doesn't, came off a little bit from the box there, but that's okay. I try to keep the boxes in good shape. I keep all my boxes, man. I store them, and I have all of a lot of boxes. I don't think I have the original Castle box. I might, who knows? I haven't looked through the boxes in a long time, but anyway, I keep my boxes. That one ripped quite a bit, but whatever. Anyway, I'm not super concerned about it. Usually I would cut them, but for all intents and purposes, I just want to get the box open. So we're getting the box open. Here's the unboxing of the Legos. There's a bag. Nice base plate. Love base plates, man. See how many bags are in here? At least six. At least six. It's number 6 there. Another base plate. Ooh, lots of green base plates here, and that is green, isn't it? Yeah, I think it is. Okay. Remember, guys, I'm colorblind, right? That's why some of these sets, I don't think this one's gonna pose any problems for me. No, I think it'll be okay. But yeah, I am colorblind. Some of the houses, some of the modular buildings, actually are very difficult for me to do sometimes, especially in low light, to actually see the color in the book, the instruction book that makes us make the things. So yeah, so for sure there are stickers. Here's the sticker sheet. Yeah, quite a bit of stickers. Quite a bit of stickers, but well, I'll put them on. I'll put them on. Those seem specific. So look at this. We've got a massive book. This is not like a phone book like some of the other modular buildings, but this is pretty big. And yeah, I'm looking forward to doing this, man. This seems like a lot of fun. In terms of where I'm gonna put it in the Lego City, I don't know. I might end up putting this in 8 bags, man. 8 bags. And of course, if you're a Lego fan and you've bought, bigger Lego sets, you'll know that there's bags within bags. There's sometimes bags within bags, and I think there's a couple of bags within this, but okay, 6, yeah. So 8 bags at least of stuff. That seems to be it for the box. So I try to keep the box the back of the box sort of visible for myself, so I can actually just look at it from time to time. It doesn't have to be on the table or anything, but yeah, I've got 7, 8 bags. I think this is the 8th bag. So yeah, it's not a huge set by any means, but it is a very involved set. Yeah, I mean, look at that. That's a pretty involved set. And I'm really gonna have a lot of fun doing this one for sure. Yeah, and I've got about $80 worth of windows coming my way too. I just ordered a bunch of windows, Lego windows. So I'm making buildings, man. I'm making buildings for Lego City, man. And I think this week I'm planning out my Lego City. I got an extra large piece of plywood, so I'm going to use as a base, of course. And my nephew and I are going to plan. We're going to plan Lego City, the layout in the basement. Keep the Legos in the basement. Movies and some comics on the main floor, and then most of the comics are on the 3rd floor, because you want to keep them away from moisture as much as possible, right? So, when I say I'm a nerd on many levels, that's the levels that I'm talking about. Lego, movies, and comics and stuff. So, yeah, this is going to be a lot of fun. And, I'm not going to start taking them out now. Maybe later on tonight, before I start working tonight. But there are a lot of minifigs in this, man. There's how many minifigs? Miggy figs? Figgy pigs? Figgy puddings? There's a lot. There's I don't know, 8 or 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then there's little owls, and there's that snake thing. Snake thing. I know there's a name for it, but like I said, I haven't seen the movies. So ashamed. Yeah, 9, at least 9 that I can see. The glow in the dark. There's a glow in the dark character, which again, I don't know who it is, but sure I'll find out. Maybe I'll make it a plan to actually watch all the Harry Potter movies this holiday season, till I get bogged down with work again. But until then, yeah, I might end up putting the discs in. I don't know if they're on any kind of streaming service, Netflix or anything like that. But whatever, it doesn't matter. I've got them all. So maybe I'm going to end up. I think I watched 10 minutes of the first one when it first aired on TV. Maybe I don't know how I could have watched it, but I do remember that. Like he had some really shitty parents or something, or not parents, but like uncle and aunt. And they sent him away. He gets on a train. That's all I remember from it, man. So yeah, there's some cool pieces in here. Spires, some really cool spire pieces. Yeah, like that. I don't know if you can see that in there. But yeah, there's some cool and the minifigs too have wicked pieces to them too, like the hats, the hair. So there's a lot of really wicked pieces in this. I'm really excited to get it started. And like I said, I don't know where it's going to fit into my Lego City specifically. It might end up being in my Lego amusement park. It could very well be. It could be like the Harry Potter attraction or something. Otherwise, I don't know where else I would kind of put it, but it's definitely a building I wanted, and it's definitely something I wanted to, have in my sort of collection too. So, guys, I think that's it. I've showed you the box opening. I've showed you the instructions and some of the nice Legos that go in there. I am going to bid you adieu. This will be probably the last video of the year. So again, I bid you a great holiday season. Please check out my Patreon page and maybe think about in the new year donating $1 a month to it, man. There's so much new content on there every single day. Support it. It helps me. The resources that go into my Patreon page in terms of actual physical things I need to purchase are astronomical, man. And putting new stuff on there every day, that's pens, paper, paint, all that stuff, all goes into my Patreon page, and I need to buy new materials to continue that page. So if you have it in your heart to maybe donate $1 a month, man. If I had 500 people on planet Earth donating $1 a month, that would be a dream come true. I know it'll never happen, but that would be a dream. To just finance to just support the materials I need to create stuff. And I mean, once you're a supporter, you can make suggestions and stuff for things you'd like to see. Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna, like I said, a Merry Christmas, a Happy Hanukkah, and all the rest of the things that you believe in. I hope you have a fantastic New Year's, and I'm gonna see you all again soon. I'm gonna try to create more content for the future, so please like and subscribe, and I will see you again very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys, and have a great rest of the holiday season. I don't know what else to say. I'm at a loss for words, so that means I should shut up. Bye now.